Like guys, with the current economy, we must learn on how to make some things on our own as a way of cutting down the cost of buying some items from the shops, from the market, from the supermarket. We have to know on how to make them. I'm going to take you through the process of making a soap right from your comfort, okay? And I have ingredients. I don't know if I should call them ingredients or chemicals that I'm going to use when it comes to making a detergent. The ingredients that I have here are for a 20 liters jerry cans, okay? Inside this paper, I have caustic. This is caustic soda. I also have a perfume. I have, guys, I don't want to lie that I know all of them, but I know this is salt. I don't know the type of salt. Some of these ingredients are very corrosive, like this one. That means when it comes to making this detergent, one needs to have gloves, but I don't have them. But since I'm the one who's preparing this whole thing, I'll be cautious enough not to touch them with my bare hands. And I have color, and I also have this color. I love blue color when it comes to washing white clothes, white fabrics. It gives the white fabrics a very good looking. So I decided to dissolve the color with water. So this bowl has a mixture of water and color, the powder color. Yeah, I dissolved the powder color in water. So this is a mixture of water and color, the powder one. So let's get started. Some of the materials that I'm going to use: the cooking stick, and I have this big washing trough. This is big enough to accommodate a 20 liters detergent. And then water. This is water. 20 liters water. So let's get started, guys. First, I'm going to start with this. Oh, shit. Sulfuric acid inanuka hivi. Daun Hiyo kioka besi ya. Hiyo process ya hiyo na
Apa kau ni? Ama aja ni.
Dari baru guna sabun. Sorry, kumara masih ini. Alafu hichi kana warangwa
Hiyo ndio bakuli.
kamera warangwa hello. Yep, where you living? Where you living? Okay. Opo. Ni mai tobo. Baka inka. So lovely people, we've come to the end of making our soap. This is how it looks. The consistency of the soap right now is not that good. Like, this is not the consistency we want. We will give it time to sit for 24 hours. After 24 hours, I will be back. That means tomorrow. Yeah. Counting to 24 hours, it means we will confirm it tomorrow at 3 p.m. Yeah, it's 3 p.m. Let me confirm. Yeah. No. Yeah, it's 3 p.m. Tomorrow at 3 p.m. I'll be coming back to confirm the readiness of the soap. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let's meet again tomorrow for confirmation. Welcome back again, beautiful family. This is the next day and I'm so excited. So today is on Friday in the afternoon, actually 3 minutes past 3. So our soap is ready right here, well mixed, and the consistency is so good. So with me here I have this bucket that I'm going to fill the soap to, but it's not going to accommodate all of it. I have these bottles. There are 2 liters bottles and I have 5 of them because this is a 10-liter bucket and 2 liters bottles will add up to 10 liters. So I'm going to fill it to this bucket and then the remaining one I'm gonna fill again the bottle. So like guys, this is one of the best things that I've done so far and I'm so proud of myself. Wow, guys, I feel so good. I feel so good. You see the consistency, guys? This is a multi-purpose soap. Good for washing utensils, good for cleaning your clothes, house, the toilet. It can literally serve every purpose at your home. Let me hurry up before it starts raining. Who's happy? Who's happy for me, guys? Yeah. Guys, I'm loving the consistency. I'm just loving it. Like, I've just cut down the cost of getting soap from the market. This will serve me for 2 months, 2 to 3 months. Yeah. Ooh. You can see, guys, the foam is too much. Like, I cannot fill it up to the brim because there is too much foam. I will allow the foam to settle before I fill it to the brim. Guys, I want you to see. Guys, I want you to see, like, let me use a little bit of it so that you can see how it works magic. You see? You see, guys? You see? Like, there is foam, and it just works perfectly. I hope you can see. Wow, this is so good, guys, and I urge you to try this. It will save you a lot, and it's very easy to make. So long as you know how to mix those ingredients, the turnout is amazing. That's how simple you can prepare the soap. Let me hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did from the beginning, it means that you loved what I'm doing. Thank you once again, and in case you'll come back to watch the video later, please remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, and let me know where you're watching me from. This is something that you can prepare so easily. So long as you know how to mix the ingredients, you will come up with a very good result like this. I just love the consistency. I love the smell. Like, it has a very nice scent. Thank you, everyone. Time for your support, for your love, and for always coming back to watch my video. Let's meet again on our next day. Bye.